Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to speed up your PC easily. So let's jump into the video. First method is closing background in used apps. Let's see how to do it.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Second method is disable startup apps. Let's see how to do it.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Third method is optimizing storage. Let's see how to do it.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Fourth method is adjust performance settings. Let's see how to do it.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Fifth method is disable unnecessary animations. Let's see how to do it.
Wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Sixth method is increase virtual memory.
Wastelands through the highways,
Let's see how to do it.
and on we'll
If you haven't speed up your PC yet, you should upgrade your RAM and HDD. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Goodbye.